Welcome back everybody, especially the iPhone users to our channel. Today we're going to see some iPhone settings you should turn off right now. If you want better privacy, better battery life and less unnecessary tracking, here are a few iPhone settings you should disable immediately. These are simple tweaks that make a big difference, so just follow along and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Your iPhone keeps track of the places you visit most, and Apple uses that data for things like suggestions, photos, and ads. It's not harmful, but it's a big privacy concern for many people, so you need to turn off significant locations, and here's how to do it. First thing first, open Settings. Then go to Privacy and Security. Select Location Services, then scroll down to System Services. Tap Significant Locations and then turn the toggle off. This stops your iPhone from logging your frequent locations. Additionally, your iPhone has a long list of system services that constantly use location data in the background. Most of them aren't essential, so let's disable unnecessary system services. Just open Settings, then go to Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services, then choose System Services. Turn off Compass Calibration, Device Management, Location-Based Alerts, Location-Based Suggestions, Motion Calibration and Distance, Setting, Time Zone, Share My Location, which is optional, or Sharing.Framework. This helps reduce tracking and can improve your battery life. Raise to Wake is also an option that lights up your screen every time you lift your phone. It's convenient for some people, but it drains battery quickly. Just go to Settings, tap on Display and Brightness. Switch off to Raise to Wake. If you want your phone to become faster and battery life improves immediately, you need to disable background app refresh because many apps run in the background when you're not using them. This eats up data and battery for no real benefit, and here's how to disable it. Open your iPhone settings, then go to General. Tap Background App Refresh, then turn it off for every app you don't need running in the background. And finally, personalized Apple ads. Apple doesn't share your data with other companies, but it does use your behavior to show targeted ads. If you want more privacy, here's how to disable ad tracking. Just open your settings, then go to Privacy and Security. Tap Apple Advertising, then turn off personalized ads. And that's it. Turning off these iPhone settings can boost your privacy, reduce unnecessary background activity, and help your battery last longer. They're quick changes, but they make your iPhone run cleaner and more efficiently. If you'd like, I can also show you more tips about iPhone on the channel. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.